Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Finance Level YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to another wallet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to click on wallets where you can see spot sections on in the screen, and just down below you can see withdraw option where you need to click there. And now let's search for coin. Let's say I want to send Bitcoin, so let's type BTC in search bar. Click on BTC. Now in here you can see two options where you need to choose send via crypto network. After that you'll be redirected to send BTC page. Now Binance is asking us to enter the wallet address of the wallet in which you want to receive your cryptocurrency, or you can scan QR as well, which is at right sides on the screen. Now you need to select network where you can see lots of network, but I only want to highlight two of them, which is ERC20 and TRC20. And to avoid charges, I recommend you to use ERC20, so click on that network. Now just down below, enter the amount. Let's say I want to send 1 Bitcoin. Now finally click on withdraw, and yes, make sure both sender and receiver should have same network or you might lose your crypto. So basically this is how you can send crypto from Binance to another wallet. And if you still encounter any issue during the sending process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.